Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is the Independent Investor Channel. My name is Ryan. So good to be with you. We're going to talk this today about the self-managed account, my very favorite account. Just up until recently, the self-managed account has not been available to the open marketplace, okay? I've been with financial planners pretty much my whole life. I've been independently investing for just over 5 years now, and I tell you what, guys, it is liberating, all right? A lot of financial planners are scrambling to offer this product, all right? And I feel like it's the biggest secret kept in the financial industry today is allowing people to empower themselves and taking advantage of the many benefits of the self-managed Roth IRA as opposed to going with the traditional actively managed Roth IRA account, all right? And I've just got 3 reasons as to why this is so important for you guys to tune up, pay attention, all right? For all you new investors, this information is really going to hit home for you guys, all right? So number 1 is access, all right? With the availability over your smartphone to have instant access to all of your financial information, by going with a self-managed account, all right, you're the one in the driver's seat. You're the one that's in charge. And there's so many young people nowadays that just want to take hold. They want to take the power back. They don't want to relinquish that power, especially when it costs so much money, all right? This new generation of guys that are coming up and they're looking at investing, they want to own it and they want to own it all, all right? And I can tell you guys, this is exactly the way that allows you to own it all, all right? Gives you access on a platform that allows you to search out all the products in the financial marketplace. It allows you to look at all the funds. It doesn't hamper you to sit down and only be offered certain proprietary funds that a lot of financial planners will want to do. They won't open up the marketplace for you. They're not going to encourage you to do individual stock trading within that account because it's too much work for them, right? They're the ones going in and executing the trade for you, all right? They're going in and doing that for you. That's why they're charging you $30, $40, $50 in an actively managed account, all right? And the fees in this particular account are going to run $4.99 to $6.99, all right, depending on how much money you have in that account, all right, to actually purchase those assets. So completely different fee structure, all right? So when you talk about access, you're talking about access to the same Amazon, to the same Google, to the same Wells Fargo or Citigroup or ExxonMobil or Chevron or any of these wonderful companies that are out there, all right? You're purchasing the same stock that the big boys are purchasing, all right? And this gives you that access or accessibility to those open markets, all right, guys? Number 2, if you own a self-managed Roth IRA account, you're in charge, all right? You don't have anybody charging you any fees at all to own that account, all right? This is one of the single greatest benefit, all right? Because when I talk about the active management, you talk about the planned failure and the stranglehold of those accounts when you're talking about affixing those fees to those accounts. And guys, you're the ones given the permission to do that. And most people just don't have the knowledge or the fortitude to have, an understanding of what's out there, guys. When I found out about this, it was liberating, all right? And it's really the single backbone reason as to why I came out with the Independent Investor Channel in the first place, because I can come out with a myriad of videos and talk specifically about the type of account, and not one time do I need to mention what stock or ETF or index fund goes in that account, because none of it matters unless you are in the right account. You have to have the right account started. You have to. And anybody starting out that has zero money and they're just starting out up to $5,500 per year to invest, this is where you need to be looking, guys, all right? To tax protect and preserve this money going forward, all right? There's no better account out there, and this is a fairly new thing. You're not going to go sit down with a financial planner, and they're not going to try to sell you on this stuff because they don't make money, all right? This is to your benefit and not their benefit, all right? You have to wrap your mind around that concept, all right? This is only beneficial to the independent investor who has the fortitude to start this account, all right? The last piece I've got here, guys, an active managed account is going to render you back 40% of an overall potential return over a 40-year window, all right? In the self-managed account, guys, it's all yours, all right? However you've put these pieces to work, all right, in whatever percentage of allocation, and we'll talk about that in follow-on videos, guys, but so many people say, Ryan, I just can't do it, all right? And I'm here to say that you absolutely can do it, guys. You can put these investments to work in any fashion that suits your tolerance level, okay? You can do it, and you can build a portfolio, and you can be as active on that portfolio or as passive as you want. And there's products out there, guys, that can really get you where you need to go, all right? All you've got to do is get it into the right account, all right? Guys, thank you so much for tuning into the Independent Investor channel. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom so you're notified of any future videos that I come out with. Please hit the like button at the bottom. Please leave your comments at the bottom. If you've got particulars that you want to fire my way and get my opinion, I will be actively replying to those comments at the bottom, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hope you got some benefit out of tonight's lesson. Good luck in your financial future.